Our Goldwell Color Dispensing Nozzle is also easy to clean. Want to see how? Simply take an applicator bottle and add water in it. In this case, I'm using the Colorance applicator bottle. Remove the color dispensing nozzle from the can. Place the nozzle of the bottle on the bottom of the color dispensing nozzle and squeeze the water out. It's that simple. You don't want to clean the nozzle after every usage? Perfect. We got you covered, as you don't have to clean the nozzle after every usage, so you can keep it on the can. It won't fall off even when you store it in the rack system. The Goldwell Color Dispensing Nozzle can be used numerous times, over and over. Just a note. If you're using a darker color and you would like to use the same nozzle on a lighter shade, then make sure to clean the nozzle. Want to see more? Visit the Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel or download the Goldwell Education Plus app. See you there.